welcome to winemastery.co.uk. My name is John Lyford and this is...
John Murphy.
And if we start laughing immediately, it's because we've done this once before and I forgot to turn the microphones on. And, you know, you've probably just seen us with our mouths opening and closing would probably not be that entertaining. So we're doing it again, as you would expect. So, on this occasion, we are going to taste a Majestic's Definition Pinot Grigio. For those of you who have seen the videos before, you will know that John will sometimes say, this is a very nice wine, but actually for a Cabernet Sauvignon or for a Shiraz, it's not as I would expect it to taste. So I'm going to mark it down because of that. Is that not true?
Yeah, very, very, very true. Sometimes, you know, it just doesn't come through. If you were to blind taste it, you know, I have a definite set idea of what a grape should taste like, and sometimes when you taste it blind, or even not blind, you've got in your mind, right, this is going to taste like this, and it just doesn't. For me, it just takes away from it in that respect, hence why I do have to mark it down a little bit, because it's not the definition or the definite style which I was expecting, which is bad. It's not always a bad thing, it's just my opinion.
So when I saw that Majestic had a definition range where obviously it's, you know, they have a Pinot Grigio and they believe that's the definition taste of Pinot Grigio, I thought, well, that'd be really interesting to see if John agrees. So we purchased a bottle. Now this, to let you know, is available from Majestic, as I said. You can, I think they're £10, $9.99 if you just buy one off. If you're buying a mixture of six or six of these indeed, it goes down to $7.99, so 20% off effectively for buying six. So 20%.
I knew when you said that. I knew he'd wear that meticulously, the exact percentage.
Well, I've only gone rounded up. I haven't gone to points.
When you said about, you knew exactly in your head how much that was. Anyway.
So should we have a look?
Let's do it.
For the second time.
For the second time. So, it's still the same.
It is still the same. It hasn't changed.
As you said, he's got that kind of very pale straw colour.
Yeah, very, very pale, isn't it? Yeah. And as, actually, I've got more in the glasses. I've been a bit ambitious with the amount of wine I put in there. Yeah, I have really been ambitious. It's got before it was a little bit less, and therefore the body didn't look quite as...
No, I can actually see in your glass with it, it's moving on to a more golden colour, isn't it? Yeah, now you've got more in there.
Yeah.
But for the sake of tasting and being sensible...
Yes, well, some of us have to be. One of us has to be. We take turns.
we do. But it's a nice light and easy. So I've got the nose.
Yeah. Well, so that's not... you know, some wines we taste are like really powerful, they really sort of hit your face. Others you have to really search for, and that's in between the two, I'd say.
Yeah, you're right. It does sit in the middle. It's not overly in your face, but it's letting things come through nicely, because I'm getting that stone fruits in there. Almost like, now I know this is the second time round, but actually, I'm saying the stone fruits, it's almost like almondy as well.
Almondy?
Almondy, yeah. Maybe it's just nutty.
That's a Newcastle way of saying it, isn't it?
What's that?
Almond.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. He's had a glass of wine now. But no, it does smell like a Pinot Grigio, but as a Pinot Grigio used to be. I'm sure I've mentioned on videos before, Pinot Grigio has become very popular because it's a very light, very easy drinking wine, but that's the later version, and it makes it more fashionable because everybody likes it, and you can't go wrong with it. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it's just all right. That's why it kind of suits everybody's palate. You can't go wrong. Whereas this, after I'm having a little nose on there, I can tell this is going to have that little bit extra. I say that, let's have a go.
Yeah, that's proof in the pudding.
So again,
I've got melon, a little bit of citrus. Citrus?
That's it, countries?
Yeah, Cyprus. A citric. and some... I've got stone fruit. I'm not sure if it's peach or whether it's apricot.
I'm thinking peachy.
Yeah.
I'm thinking peach, and I'm well on board with you as well with that kind of melon juiciness, the slight citrusy bit that just that comes through the forefront. But where the peach is coming for me is the after flavour, the length. That's where that peach is just sitting nicely. Good acidity in there. In fact, beautiful acidity in there. Just enough to make the wine lively, but without being too much.
Yeah, without you going...
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So
because it's exceptionally well balanced, that actually, isn't it?
It is
exceptionally well balanced. Yeah.
Get in, mate. But no, you're not wrong, John. You're not wrong. That is a very good. And again, coming back to why we're actually doing this video with this in particular wine, that is what I would say a Pinot Grigio, but again a Pinot Grigio of old. It's just got that little bit more about it.
So, I mean, so for you, it's the definition. It does meet the label, so to speak, the label on the tin.
Yeah, they ticked all the boxes that I need on a Pinot Grigio. Yeah.
I think the other thing, well, the great thing about Pinot Grigio is that, you say, it's been very fashionable, but it is one of those wines that you can actually just enjoy, either being on your own, watching TV, talking to people, or if you want to, there is more to be gained if you really want to concentrate. Yeah,
you don't. Yeah, I know exactly what I mean. You don't have to pay too much attention if you're in a conversation with somebody, and it's still a nice wine to go at. But if you were to just delve underneath there, you'd to find some nice bits and pieces there.
Very nice indeed. Well done, Majestic. Well done.
Indeed, yeah.
Well, I think that drive me on to maybe buying a few of their other definition wines, and
that'd be interesting.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. We'll see if they meet the tick all the boxes on those too. So, guys, I think that probably just about sums it up in this short video. Well worth it from my perspective. It's a good quality wine for a very good price. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell if you want to know when the next time we launch another video, and you'll get a notification that we've done so. And so until the next time, we really look forward to seeing you there. Chin chin.
Chin chin.